guys, welcome back. So I'm going to go ahead and start this tutorial. I started off using the Cantu Shea Butter Starter Kit. So right now you're looking at my hair. It's freshly washed and conditioned using the conditioner and the shampoo that's inside the starter kit box. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do an intensive repair mask on my hair because as you can see it was just looking a little flat and dull. So I just want to give it some life. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the conditioner, deep conditioner, and detangle my hair a little bit. Making sure I get the conditioner on each strand of hair as much as I can, and then I'm going to twist it up. I'm going to put that away. I'm going to show you guys one more time in the front here, just applying the deep conditioner, making sure it's on everything. I do want to say that the conditioner is extremely thick, so when applying the conditioner, use a little extra water if your hair starts to dry out, if you're doing this outside of the shower, just to kind of loosen up your strands a little bit. That's like the one thing I don't like about the conditioner, the deep conditioner and the regular conditioner, is that it's so thick, so it makes it a little bit hard to comb through. But you'll see what my hair looks like after I rinse out the conditioner. So just twisting up the rest of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and put on a shower cap to seal everything in. Making sure all of my hair is covered. Alright, everything's good, ready to go. And now I'm going to hop under the hooded dryer. Give you a little dance. Okay, so now look at my hair. You see how juicy those twists are? My hair, when I tell you, the conditioner is really thick and it does not feel good applying it, I have to admit, but your hair feels amazing once it's set on your hair for a while, and that's under the hooded dryer or not. Your hair just feels really good when you take it down. So now you can see my hair, the conditioner is rinsed all out, and when I tell you my hair is like super like bouncy, of course in the front I still have a little bit of heat damage, so that's why you see so much frizz in the front. That's just the damage, it's nothing I could do. But just look at my hair, it's so much shinier from what you saw when it was just washed and conditioned in the beginning of the video. Now it's just like super juicy. It feels soft. It's so shiny. I can literally just go ahead and rock that style. Okay guys, so I've done the deep conditioning with the Cantu Shea Butter. As you can see, I just rinsed my hair out. There's no products added and I have nice shine. There is frizz of course because there's no products in my hair, but I could just rock my hair like this if I wanted to and just literally just walk out the house. But I want to do a protective style, so I want to do a quick little protective style. And the product I'm going to use is still with shea butter. I'm going to use the Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, and I'm also going to use my olive oil and shea butter black castor oil flaxseed gel. I absolutely love this product right here. I'm going to do a wash and go for you guys so you can see how this product works on my hair for wash and go. It's amazing. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and start the protective style using these products and keep watching. Okay guys, let me just go ahead and get started. So I called it a protective style. I guess it's kind of a protective style, but not really. I'm just going to wear it for like maybe 2 days. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle. I'm going to start on one side of my head, and I'm going to be using the Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream to just kind of moisturize my hair. I actually want to try this product doing a wash and go, so that will be happening soon. But anyway, so now I'm going to go ahead and just detangle my hair, making sure that I can prepare it for flat twist. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the Gold Eco Styler gel. I'm going to lay down my hair in the front. Just because I want, like I said, I'm going to wear it for a couple days. So I want it to at least last for a little while. And then I'm just going to start my flat twist. If you guys want to see a video of me doing flat twists, I have one out. I'll put it in the description box below. And I'll also put a little eye at the top. But this is just a quick hairstyle to do when you don't want to commit to like a full style, like a wash and go or a twist out. This is just like one of my go-to hairstyles, and I really can wear this for a few days, so that's why it's a protective style. Anyways, go ahead. I'm gonna take some more gel, add it to the back of my hair, and then I'm gonna take my scrunchie and put this into a little low bun right there. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm going to add the Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, give it some moisture, more moisture. I'm telling you, my hair is so juicy. I really like the aftermath of the deep conditioner. I don't like the process, but once it sits on your hair, and then you can you can sit under a hooded dryer. You can use one of those bonnets that has, like, you can put it in the microwave and then put it on top of your hair, or you can just let it sit on your hair overnight and you're going to get the same effect. You're still going to have some nice juicy curls come out. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, flat twist this side. So I'm going to do the exact same thing I did to the other side. Go ahead and take some more gel, add it to the back, and then you're going to take your scrunchie and put it in a low ponytail like the other side, or a low bun. And then that's it. And you don't have to worry about your part being straight or anything like that. It's just a cute little style just to get you through. And then I had to go off camera and lay down my baby hairs. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the finished product. This is my protective style. It's still wet, of course, so you may see some white residue there, but that'll go away in a little while. But this is it. My hair is nice and shiny. I use gel. Usually I try not to use gel if I want to do like a twist out or something in the middle of the week, but I'm going to do a wash and go later, probably like in a couple days for you guys. So I'll just rock this out for a couple days and then I'll do my wash and go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye.